Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.